Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a while and this is just a very short video just to let you know why it's been a while, and I'm not going to go into loads of detail, but just to let you know that my mother's care needs have increased considerably recently, so a lot of my time is taken up or has been taken up with sorting that out, me and my sister and my brother. So I've done much less crafting and I'm not quite sure how it's going to go in the future. I thought I would show you some little bits that I have done. I've been making these little collages and embroideries again. So I think the original idea, I think I saw Roxy do this, Rachel. But I know it wasn't her original idea and I'm really sorry, I can't remember whose it was. But anyway, I'll just show them to you because they turn out really quite pretty. So there's a bit of machine stitching over the collage and then hand stitching. The pink one. It's just long stitches and French knots. And then this is one that is similar but on a larger scale. And this I suppose is inspired a bit more by Carol from Oak House Journals, and I've clustered a lot of the knots together there. This little one was a kit. Oh gosh, I can't remember where I bought that from. Anyway, a little bit of free embroidery over, so I've got strands on there, over some tulle and organza, and those I guess are, I don't know, hollyhocks maybe, delphiniums, something along those lines. I enjoyed doing that and it was something a bit different. And then I did Emily Notman course. I don't think this was Emily Notman, but I did an Emily Notman Zoom class a few weeks ago now to try and get a bit of a change really in my mind on something else, and this is what I came up with in the class. There were a few of us on it and Carol from Oak House Journals was one of the other participants, so that was really unexpected and very nice. I'm not sure if Carol has shown what she's done. I've been a bit out of touch recently, but I enjoyed doing that and I'm going to do some more Emily Notman style embroidery. So as far as journals go, I have got plenty made, almost done. I've been making them for months and months. I've got several to finish off and we'll be uploading videos over the next few weeks. So if you're interested in those, if you keep a lookout, that'd be great. Thank you everybody for your support. I'm sorry if I haven't replied to comments recently. I've not been so active on social media either. I hope you all have a great day and that you're all keeping well. Bye bye.